President of Imagi Maira Thokchom Sujata has asserted that the present crisis in Manipur cannot be resolved without deliberation in an assembly session. The President of Imagi Maira has demanded a special assembly session to discuss the ongoing crisis in the state. A team of Imagi Maira marched towards Manipur Legislative Assembly complex today, demanding a special assembly session. The protesters tried to lock down the gate of Manipur Legislative Assembly complex. Speaking on the sideline, Thokchom Sujata said the conflict, which started in May of 2023, continues to affect people. Many displaced families still continue to languish at relief camps. People are denied their democratic rights for far too long. Now, speaking further, Sujata stressed on the need for a special assembly session to discuss on prevailing situation of the state. She also demanded government to pass resolution to facilitate the abrogation of SU with Kuki militant groups and to ensure resettlement of IDPs to their original homes.
separate tanda mokoi tara le ne ha bodo hoji separate tanda dana hoji moi tanga ga deputy ha pa bani madu su ta se na moi house ki moi palan assembly ge ha ta di pas it is kairin ne ba kare ga su ya mere ga ni phare ne prajanan the voice of the mana assembly phama matanda video conference te apodo em haina dana abu phare ga di manipur the public prajanan any from the pam se santi le da dunia ba abe tani procedure the power solution lo pham ko procedure lo de na moi adu to phai ada to re na dana pham ba gumba adu le lambi thing le ha ga yen si de chalaga mau de chalaga adu gumba protest te di mena lo bom ko ba ma ko di si di mandir temple of the house se si si de mena sasan ku di mo chala ra ka de le house de pham ga so gum ba se to ha de si da hai bana ida ko ba te entry to ro mi na ba ya re si bo police man na thala le si chang de ya ba so lo la ta me si situation si da kama an ta si leadership si di makata ko za ko yi inga te no adu wa khala ma